Hi, I am Luis and I'll show you how to use the KROFtools Hub Extractor Kit. The KROFtools Hub Extractor Kit is an extremely versatile toolkit that allows you to remove any kind of wheel hub from any kind of vehicle in any kind of situation that you might face in a workshop. For trickier situations, such as a rusted hub or heavy-duty hubs, you should use the sliding hammer. First, you need to install the hub adapter on the hub. The hub adapter has a combination of holes that suit almost any kind of wheel hub from 3 to 6 wheel nuts. With the adapter piece, screw the sliding rod and lock it with a nut. Insert the 3 kg hammer in the sliding rod and fasten the handle. After a couple of attempts, you should see the hub coming out. For smaller wheels or regular applications, the pressure screw is ideal. Fasten the pressure screw on the adapter piece and apply constant torque to the screw until the hub comes out. If there is little room to use the sliding hammer, or if its use may cause damage to the hub, the hydraulic spindle is the most suited choice. Always install the metal cap to provide a small cushion between the hub and the spindle. In this case, you don't need to install the adapter piece, since the hydraulic spindle is installed directly on the hub adapter. With steady torque, the hydraulic spindle can apply up to 10 tons of force. You should be able to get any hub out, even the most stubborn of all hubs. Did you enjoy this product? Subscribe to our channel to keep updated on our products and to learn how to use them. Thank you for watching.